When replacing the drive motor and or drive belt on your treadmill, go ahead and remove your front motor hood and your side rail. So for the next step, we'll go ahead and remove the bolts out of this rear roller in order to take the tension off of our walking belt and drive belt. Again, be sure you count the amount of turns it takes to take these two bolts out. That way when you go back together with it, your belt will be tracking straight. So the first thing you want to do when you're up here, before you start to unplug anything from the controller, go ahead and snap you a couple of pictures with it all wired up. So that way it's much easier when you go to hook everything back up. Next, you want to take your drive belt off your flywheel on your motor. Just leave it hanging on your roller there. Then we can unplug everything. And then you want to take out your bolts. Go ahead and get your wires ran out of the way. And plug them back up to your board. Last but not least,